Hey, what's up you guys? Installing a trailer hitch on your Hyundai Elantra can take you to some really cool places like camping, biking, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. So to start off our install, we need to enlarge this hole right here on the driver's side. We need to make it just large enough for our carriage bolt to fit through. Now to enlarge that hole, we're going to use a step bit. So now we're ready to bring our hardware into place on our driver's side. We're going to be using a fish wire technique. To be able to do this, we're going to remove this rubber grommet on the frame rail. To do a fish wire technique, we're going to take our provided fish wire, we're going to put it through our drilled hole, and we're going to push it out the hole where the plug came from. Then we're going to attach our carriage bolt and block. We're going to push our block in first, followed by our bolt, and then we're going to pull it all the way through. And then we'll reattach our rubber grommet. And then we'll repeat this process on the passenger side. Our kit only comes with one fish wire, so we'll have to use the same one for both sides. Now on our tow loop, we have one more carriage bolt and block that we'll be using as an attachment point. We're just gonna set this on top of it. Now we're ready to bring our hitch into place. We're gonna use our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as someone will need to hold it into place as you secure all of your bolts. When raising the hitch into place, be sure not to push your bolt back into the frame. Now with our hitch in place, we're going to remove our fish wire and we're going to install all of our provided flange nuts on the appropriate bolt for its size. So now we're going to tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer specification. For our tow loop, we're going to use a 19mm socket, and for our two bolts on the frame, we're going to be using a 17mm socket. With our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is an 1.25" receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 3 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 10 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories, such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. So that wraps up our install and our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.